Hey guys, it's Corey from Corey Survival. Today we're going to be unboxing SHTF, the month of June's mystery survival gear. This is a pretty big box this month, and I hope you guys enjoy. What the subscription box SHTF is it's a monthly box that is only $20 a month plus shipping, and it comes to your doorstep and or mailbox or wherever you decide to send it every month. And they send you outdoor gear, camping gear, survival gear, EDC gear, all that sort of stuff. So I enjoy getting this box. Some of the items in here are kind of cheap, but I'm okay with that. I would rather spend money on a cheap item than a more expensive item, because if I break a more expensive item, then I'm breaking my wallet trying to buy that more expensive item than rebuying the cheap item. So, alright, we're going to go ahead and dig into this box. And all the information I just told you guys will be in the description below, as well as the websites you guys can get this from. I'm not sponsored by these people, I just really love their gear. So, and a lot of the stuff in these boxes are pretty fun. Like, they send pretty funny stuff. Like, in one of my boxes, they sent me a urination bottle. Like, who needs a urination bottle? But it was funny. So, alright. In every box, we've got paper. As you can see, paper. Ooh. Some good stuff I can see in here already. Alright, so in every box, there's a card, and I got the primary box. Now, I believe the primary box is the best box to get, because it's $20 a month, whereas if you get the Pro, it's $50, Elite, it's $90. I will, at the end of the video, show you guys what I would have gotten if I got the Pro and the Elite, like what I would have gotten in the box. If I got the Pro, everything in the primary comes with it, and same with the Elite. Everything above comes with that. So, honestly, I just think the primary is worth its money better than the Pro and the Elite. But there are big, more expensive items in there, but you only get 1 to 2 extra items when you do upgrade. So I don't think really it's worth it. So, alright. So let's go ahead and get right into this box. Alright, so the first thing in the box is an emergency fire blanket. This retails for $17 or $16.99. Here's the blanket, as you can see. Let's see here. Take and release tape in each hand and pull downwards and outwards. Drape the blanket over the flames. Oh, okay. So pretty much what you do is it's meant to put out fires. So you drape the blanket over flames, or you wrap yourself in it and you roll around on the ground. So like stop, drop, and roll. This is a 1 meter by 1 meter. Just gonna show you guys real quick. Okay. I'll just take it out here. That's a very, very thick material. Very thick material. Huh. Very heavy too. I could see that putting out in a fire, because it's very closely woven, so it would just cut the oxygen out immediately. That is very cool. I don't know exactly when I would ever, use this, other than like maybe a grease fire or well, I don't know if this would work for a grease fire, but even like just a normal fire or any emergency thing. So yeah, very cool. Let's see what else is in the box. Alright, up next in the box is a carbon steel shovel. This retails for $14.99. Just take a look here. It's a pretty heavy duty blade, or not blade, but yeah, a spade, I guess I should say. It's on there nice and sturdy, really nice and sturdy. This might be a little too heavy for my backpack. There's just a single screw you can see holding it on there. Yeah, this might be a little too heavy for my backpack, but I do have the mole webbing clips to hold the shovel on there though. So I might just use this for like around the yard projects or something like that. But down here on the handle it says Delta Defender Counter-Terrorist Force. Okay, I don't know how this would be counter-terrorism, just going ham, I guess. I don't know. Yeah, I mean, cool. I needed a shovel, definitely. My other shovel kind of took a poop, so I don't see this one really taking a poop here anytime soon. It's a pretty thick handle and the spade fits on there nicely. So, very cool. Very cool. And I'm sure you could even get a spark off a flint. Like if you had flint and this carbon steel, I'm sure you can get a spark, or even if you had some quartz. So, you might even be able to get a fire going with this. So, very cool. Alright, up next in the box is a Paracord Keyring for $4.99. Okay, this is pretty cool. Get it out of here. Let's see. So all it says is Paracord Keyring. I don't think there's a survival kit inside there, just a cool little lanyard. It's got a keychain there, and then a carabiner clip. So that's pretty neat, or pretty neat, pretty neat. Yeah, very cool. Retails for $4.99. So the next thing we got in the box here, and this might be pretty cool. Like, looks like it might be pretty cool because it's pretty spendy. It's $30, and it is a Zulu 5.56 inch knife. 5.56 knife. There's no inch symbol, so I don't think it's inches. So just check this guy out. Big box. It looked pretty cool because the outside worded that weird before. Sorry. Get in here. Have to use a knife to get a knife. Alright. Alrighty. So you got a nice nylon sheath here. It's in there. Oh, there's another one. Gosh, Corey, come on. Alright. Ooh, that is pretty nifty looking. So this could easily be a really nice survival Bowie knife. You got a decent 90-degree edge here. You could get a really good strike on a flint and steel, or a ferro rod for sure. Very nice 90-degree spine. I like that. This back spot would probably be used for batoning, or even up here. It says down here, stainless steel. It's made in China. Looks like it might be a fixed blade. I'm not entirely sure if it is a fixed blade or if it's full tang. Might be full tang. Ooh, that blade is wicked sharp. Let's see if she'll take hair off. Yeah, she shaves. I could literally take this in the bathroom and shave my beard off with it. That's nice. I really like that. I think I just found my backpack Bowie knife. Cool. Very durable handle. I don't feel any wiggle or give with the blade at all. Yeah, very, very sharp edge. I gotta give it that. So, might have to do a test on this knife to see if it can withstand some batoning, if it can actually do what a knife is supposed to do. So, I'm sure I could even take a tree down with this. It's like almost like a machete type of deal. So yeah, $30 for this knife. It retails for. Very neat. Very neat. And it's a combat knife. I'll just go ahead and set that there. Alright, for the last thing in the box, we got a map compass that retails for $6.99. It is by Trailblazer, and let's go ahead and take this out here. I know Trailblazer is a pretty famous Walmart brand. I've seen a lot of Trailblazer items over at Walmart. So this is actually pretty neat. So you'd rest this on a map, and it's a decent compass actually. Really good compass. It's got a ruler, so you've got your inches on this side, you've got your millimeters on this side, and you got centimeters on this side. You've got a magnifying glass here, so you can read things up close. Weird arrow. I don't really know much about map compasses, but that's pretty cool. And it came with this little piece of string here, so you could hang it. So I'm pretty sure you could probably put it on a clip on the outside of your backpack or something like that, but I probably wouldn't do that just because it would probably fall off that way. But very good compass for $7. Heck, you can see there. Let's get up close view of that. So very neat compass. Cool. I hope you guys enjoyed everything I just got in this box. For the Pro box, I would have gotten a M48 subterfuge digital watch. I don't know if I said that right. That would have retailed for $24.99, and then I would have gotten a solar lantern water bottle. Huh. Okay, and that would have retailed for $19.99. Then in the Elite box, if I were to spend the $90, I would have gotten an additional 60-liter ripstop duffel bag that retails for $50. So I would have gotten that plus everything in here. As I said, I think the primary box is worth it because I spent $20 and I got $73.95 in retail value in this box. For the Pro, it would have been $118, but you're spending $50, and then you're spending almost $90 on the Elite, and it's only $168. Even though, in my personal opinion, since I really have no uses for those items, I wouldn't spend the money for it. So, all right, if you guys enjoyed this box, go ahead and hit that like button down below. Go ahead and leave a comment. I love hearing from you guys. It keeps me motivated on posting out these videos. Do stuff like this once a week, whether it be unboxings, camping, hiking, fishing, anything outdoors. So if you're into that type of thing, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below and hit that bell so you can get my notifications whenever I post a video. I love to have you guys a part of my community as well. So as always, keep living, keep fishing, and I will see you guys in my next video.